Hello kids, welcome to Virgin Mary School. I'm your teacher, Teacher Sindhuja, and today we will learn about our next sounds. So, this is letter Z, and the sound of letter Z is Z, 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 as in Z, Z, zebra, and Z, Z, zero. Now, letter W. The sound of letter W is W, 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 as in W, W, watch, and W, W, wall. Now, dear kids, when we write letter N and G together, we use the sound ng, 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 as in s, I, ng, sing, and k, I, ng, king. Now, letter V. Dear kids, the sound of letter V is woo, 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 as in woo, woo, when, and woo, woo, was. Now, we will learn about two different sounds of double O. The short sound of double O is O, 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 as in B, O, K, book, N, O, K, nook. And the long sound of double O is oo, 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 as in food, 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 and ood, mood, ood, mood. So dear kids, I hope you have enjoyed it. We will meet you soon. Bye bye.